Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here. You ever hear the expression, spread the wealth? What does that mean to you? Think about that while I march. No, having a walk and talk. To me, spread the wealth means a lot of stuff. One of the things it means to me, right off the bat, is if you're well off, give the brother a dime. If they ask you to contribute to a society or a cause when you're in the grocery store and you have change, I always give it to them. Spread the wealth. Even if you don't think you have wealth in that aspect, you have more than a lot of people. Most of us do. There's no way you're the poorest person in the world. Spread that wealth. So charity, donate your time to charity, give any money that you can spare. Spread the wealth. But also what I really want to talk about is spread the wealth of your knowledge, of your experience, of the things that you have that you can offer to others to make them a better person. That's what this website's all about. Besides fun stuff like, eating sandwiches and saying sweet baboo. But Live Life 365 started as a self-help service for folks that I could spread the wealth of my knowledge, of my experience, of my failures, of my successes. It's just like mentoring someone. There's nothing more gratifying than mentoring someone. And that could just be a teacher, it could be a parent, it could be a friend, it could be in sports, it could be in any kind of job. Teaching somebody or being there for them to bang questions off and watch their growth is a tremendous experience. You see someone that they have all the talent, you're just giving them your expertise. You're helping them become a better person. It's one of the greatest things you can do. That's spreading the wealth. Spread the wealth like that. Spread the wealth through all the knowledge you have, through all your experience, in any way you can think. And there's an old saying, it's better to give to receive, better to give than to receive. And when you're spreading the wealth out there, spreading your wealth of knowledge, your bucks, or just giving your time to somebody, you're going to feel good. And not only that, you're going to help someone change their life for the better. Just like I do as often as I can at Live Life 365. So check out my YouTube channel by the same name. Keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
And hey, keep living it.